Let's watch the news.
Breaking news, there is an EF6 tornado heading towards Vyond City. If you're watching this, get out of the town immediately.
Oh no. There is a tornado. Daddy. Let's get outside.
Dad. Go faster. The tornado will catch us very soon.
Dad. Go faster. The tornado will catch us very soon.
Do not worry. There's a shelter ahead.
It is terrible.
Wait, it is Dad's car. Let's go to him. Oh no. Daddy is injured. I gotta call 911.
This is an emergency. My dad is injured from a tornado. Please help.
Yay. I'm better. Now I can live longer.